Hey, it's Ben. I have this Firepit ring here. The company sent this over to me and is compensating me for this video. We're going to get it out, put it together, and test it out. So this is a fire pit. Can also be used as a raised garden bed. These are the instructions for how to assemble. It does come with some gloves, which can be good because these are some sharp edges on these metal pieces. And there we can see all the nuts and bolts needed to assemble this. All right, so I'm just going to put this together here inside, and then we'll take it out when we're done. Pretty straightforward. There's 4 metal pieces. There's 4 holes on each junction. We'll just put a bolt and a wing nut inside each one of those. All right, so there's one completed side. We're going to go all the way around and do the rest of them. Okay, I've got it all together, and now the final step is just going to be to peel off this protective plastic. It's a little bit tedious, but we don't want that melting on there once the fire gets hot. All right, so here's how the fire pit ring looks in action. Compared to the size to our fire pit, it's got a little bit more size capacity, and if you want to sit this on the ground or upon some pavers or stones, it gives you a different kind of option.